sunny Saturday afternoon. It's just gone 1:30. I'm out in the depths of Sussex somewhere, heading towards somewhere. Can't remember. But anyway, it's my last church of the day. Having had 18 on the list and managed to get in quite a few of them. Don't know exactly how many, and I've managed to drop the bike. Oh shit! Yeah, I got back on the bike. I'd already programmed the sat nav, and it wasn't sure which way to go, so I rolled the bike backwards, and it said, "Yep, go straight on down the road." As you start going down the road, it says, "No, go the other way." Like, oh shit! So I saw this driveway. Yeah, I thought I'll turn here. I don't know how long this sort of single track road goes on for. So I thought I'll go for it, and I turned in there with just so I could roll back. No, there's gravel there, shit. And I couldn't get my foot in, and I couldn't keep holding the bloody thing. Revved it, you know, as you do, and then it cut out as it hit the deck. I thought, oh bugger. So I've got half a foot peg on the left hand side, slightly bent gear lever, which will go back. Slightly scarred R&G bung, and the slightly weird clutch lever. It's slightly down. I think it's one of those cheap replacement jobbies, adjustable, but it's definitely a bit weird. I think it's a lever more than this gone down, because the mirror's about right, even though that took a whack. So I think I've got to get me some new levers. Luckily it didn't break. It's all been buggered for getting home. I don't know if it even marked the end of this. I thought, oh god damn it, and I couldn't pick it up. Every time I tried, I was slipping, and the bike's slipping, even though it was in gear. Before I could get the back tyre on the ground, it started to twist, and oh, here we go. So I flagged down some passing cyclists, and they give me out, lift it up, and that's when I see the bit of foot peg. I thought, oh dear, could have been worse. Could have been the whole foot peg, not half one. So that's that bugger. So I've got to get a few spares and running repairs. And I only cleaned it last week. I mean, come on, what more do you want? But that's twice that I've dropped bikes and broke things because the sat nav saying one way, then as soon as you start moving, it says, oh no, go the other way. I blame the sat nav. Nothing to do with the gravel or slipped on, you know what I mean? Apart from that, it's been lovely. Could have been worse. Could have dropped you on the exhaust side, couldn't I? But I just couldn't pick it up. I've got this bit of a duff shoulder anyway. And it just kept moving, and I thought, this ain't good. It's a bit cheeky, but... Oh look, you can guess what? You can guess that ain't bloody open. So I can turn around all right, normally. Without throwing it on the ground. So eBay's going to have to come to the rescue later. Yeah, there's a bit of come off, look, at the end, not too shabby. Look. Looks like a little saddle. Yes, it's bloody great hero blob, I suppose, hit the deck and done it no good. But hey ho. Oh, and there's a bit of a mark on the engine case. There was when I got it, I did. It's right underneath. Not much of a scar on that. So the gear lever's definitely a little bit pushed in, but it's operational. What's that? Oh, bloody foot in a bush. I thought, why can't I get my leg over? Got a bit too keen there. See, I've got that lovely exhaust on there now. The one that's on the 1000. I thought I'll put it on here. It works a treat. It's not as loud, but it's a little bit poppy. Oh, no, bloody chain around the door. As I thought. Oh well. Scrub that in. I did go out last week as well. And I had 39 churches on the list. And I visited 32, but I could only get inside 21. Because that coincided with a Ride and Stride event. I've done a few. I should put a figure up on the screen. How many I've done, and pictures and miles. I don't know what have we done miles wise. It says, and there was 65 miles on it to start with. Oh, it's 136 now. So what's that? 71. 71 miles. I've got 65 in the tank, but that should be enough to get home. Oh, and I nearly dropped it the other day. I went to pull away and I was in second, and it stalled. And luckily it was on the right side and I caught that. So that was naughty, but this was even more naughty today. But hopefully I will be going to the crop dock. I'll get some spares for in time. And the weather holds out, so I've got to sort me a route out for getting up there and doing a few churches on my way, as I did when I went to Parsons and done about 14 on the way up, as you do. I do start out early in the morning, and a lot of people that's supposed to turn up at the show don't get there till later, so hopefully we'll have a better turnout than what we had at Parsons Grove. I still miss people there that allegedly went, I think. But I did see Skeggy and Suffolk Andy. So, and Freddie didn't go, naughty Freddie, and I have no idea what has happened to Bex Hornet. She has been as quiet as a grave. Well, I hope everything's alright in her life, but she's not even put anything on Facebook that I'm aware of. So maybe she'll turn up. I won't hold my breath, but I wonder if she'll even do the Sunny Honey Run, or whenever that is. I don't know if it's before then or this weekend. I've not got a Scooby. Yeah, well done, mate. Nearly just nearly back out on the main road. There's a church down there, and I've done the inside of that one. I know where I am. It just looked familiar. Very familiar. Yeah, my shoulder's still giving me jip, and my foot's a bit better, but it's still a bit of a pain. Ooh. Oh, there's a speed camera over there. So, not too shabby. I ain't been spending loads of money on camera stuff. I sold a lens, 500 quid the other week. Lovely. I thought, oh, I'm not going to use this so much. So I bought it for a wedding, and I didn't get the invite for whatever reasons. So I thought I might as well sell the lens in. I've only got 7 now, I think, and just 3 cameras. I'll be looking at another possible camera later. So who knows, the next time I do a vlog, I'm sure I've done one the other week, but I didn't edit it out. And the battery ran out, and I forgot to say see you later, like, so just in case I do forget, I'll, anything else pops up, I'll catch you on the next one. And sorry I've been a little bit quiet of late, but hey ho, isn't everybody? And oh yeah, good luck with that new bike, Skeggy, and Bandit Nev. He's got a new bike and he's smoky. He's had it a few months now, but and poor old Keith had his bike nicked, whatever his handle was. The Wyvern biker had his bike stolen, didn't he? Bastards. So I don't know how that's going on, whether he's had it recovered or he's got to wait to get paid out. I don't know. Feeling scum are still at it, isn't he? Oh, come on, cockface.